but I would again request Dr. Murphy to sing a folk song for us. We are not going to let you go without a song. She has promised that next time she'll learn a song about Lyallpur as well.
कहानी इस तरह है कि पहली बार जब मैं फैसलाबाद लायलपुर आई सुलेख मेला वास्ते आई सी उत्थे जाके मैं एक गाना गाया सो डॉक्टर चीमा ने अर्ज़ किया कि मैं होर एक बार होर मैं सुनावा मैं गावा सो मैंने माफ़ कर दियो जे ठीक ना होवे ओके कोशिश करांगी पर अंग्रेज़ी दा है पंजाबी नहीं है तो अगली बार एक पंजाबी कर लांगी Where are you going? Where are you going? Can you take me with you? For my hand is cold and needs warmth. Where are you going? Far beyond where the horizon lies, where the horizon lies, and the land sinks into mellow blueness. Oh, please take me with you. Let me skip the road with you. I can dare myself. I can dare myself. I'll put a pebble in my shoe and watch me walk. I can walk, I can walk. And I shall call the pebble dare. I shall call the pebble dare. And we shall talk about walking. Dare shall be carried, and when we both have had enough, I will take him from my shoes, singing, meet your new road. Then I'll take your hand, finally glad that I am here by your side, by your side, by your side. Shukriya.